first exercise, first question. State if the statements are true or false. If the statements are true or false, we will decide. The first question, when a number is divided by its factor, no remainder is left. When a number is divided by its factor, 3 is a factor of 15. If I am dividing the 15 with 3, 5 3s are 15. So the remainder is 0. That means the statement is true. First one is true. When a number is divided by its factor, no remainder is left. Yes, there is no remainder. Remainder is 0. So the first statement is true. Second one. A number can be a multiple of only one number. 2 is a multiple of 1, 2 is a multiple of 2, 2 is a multiple of 3, 2 is a multiple of 4. So, one number can be a multiple of any number. So, this is false statement. Prime numbers do not have any factors. Prime number will have one and the same number itself. That is called as prime number. So, this statement is false. 1 and the same number is the factors of prime number. So, prime number have factors. If B is a multiple of A, then B is greater than or equal to A. If B is a multiple of A, multiple means this, multiple of A, so B is greater than or equal to A. Yes, this is true. In the next question, twin primes are pairs of prime numbers that do not have any composite number between them. There are always a possibility of having a composite number between the prime numbers. So, this statement is false. One is the smallest prime number. 1 is neither prime number nor composite number. So, this statement also false. 1 is neither prime number nor composite number. So, 1 is the smallest prime number is a false statement. This ends the first question of exercise 3.1, more about numbers. Now, the second question is, can you express 4 as a sum of two odd numbers? 4 sum of two odd numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 is an odd number, 3 is an odd number. 1 plus 3 is 4. So, 4 in the sum of two odd numbers, this is the correct answer. Now, moving on to third question. Express the following given numbers as a sum of two prime numbers. If we want to express as prime numbers, we should know what all are the prime numbers. Let us see. First question 8, second one 10, third one 20, fourth one 30, fifth one 36. So, what are all the prime numbers we have? 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number. So, 5 plus 3 is 8. Sum of two prime numbers, this is the correct answer. For 10, 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3 is 10. Next, 20. 7 after 11 is a prime number. 11 after 13 is a prime number. So 13 plus 7 is an addition of two prime numbers. 30. So here after 13, 17 will come, 19 will come. So 19 plus 11 is 30. 17 plus 19 is 36. This is the even numbers in the sum of two prime numbers. This ends this question. Moving on to the next question, which is 4. Give 5 prime numbers from 1 to 100 which can be expressed as the sum of two prime numbers. Give 5 prime numbers from 1 to 100. So, as I told you, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. These are all prime numbers. Now they are asking 5 prime numbers which are addition of 2 prime numbers. Example, 7 is 5 plus 2. 7 is a prime number and 5 and 2 also prime numbers. 13, 11 plus 2 and 19, 17 plus 2 and 1, 2, 3. 2 more we need to do. Next one, 31. Next one is 31 here. 31, 29 plus 2. And the last one, 61, 59 plus 2. 61 also prime number, 59 also prime number and 2 also prime number. 5 prime numbers, addition of 2 prime numbers. This is the answer. And the next question is, which is the largest prime number less than 100? Less than 100, largest prime number is 97. 97 is the answer for this question. Which is the largest prime number less than 100? This is the fifth question answer, 97. Next question, find two prime numbers whose product is the highest even number less than 20. Find two prime numbers whose product is highest even number less than 20. Less than 20, 18 is the highest even number. So what is the product of, what two numbers should be the product of 18? What is that number? We will see. Okay, 18, when we are doing 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. These are the prime numbers we have. So, any two numbers product cannot be 18. So, 18 cannot be the number now. So, what is the next highest number? 16. So, we don't have 8 here. So, 16 will not come as a product. Now, we will see the 14. 14 means 2 into 7. 2 sevens are 14. That means biggest highest even number less than 20, which is the product of two prime numbers, is 14, which is 2 sevens are 14. This ends this question. Moving on to the next question. Which pairs of numbers are coprimes? Which pairs of numbers are coprimes? First of all, what is coprime? Coprimes are those pairs Coprimes are those pairs of numbers that do not share any common factor except for one. What are coprimes? Coprimes, those pairs are numbers that do not share any common factor except for one. Now we will see the example questions here. Seventh one, we have 5 questions we have. In this, what are all coprimes? We will see. They should not have a common factor except 1, because every number is having a factor as 1. So 1 should be the common. 21, 34. First question. Second one, 54, 33, 16, 23, 60, 100, 11, 89. Here 21 and 34, if you see, this is 21 factors are 121 is 21, 3 sevens are 21, 7 threes are 21. So there are 3 factors we have for 21. 4 factors we can say, 1 including 1, 3, 7 and 21. Now for 34, 2 17s are 34, 3 will not go, 4 will not go, 5 is not there, 6 will not go. So only 2 and 17 we have. So they don't have any common factor between 21 and 34 except 1. So this is a coprime. Coprime. 54 and 33. Here also 3 will go. How many times 3 will go? 2, 1 3s are 3. 8 3s are 24. 18 3s are 54. And 11 3s are 33. So the both numbers is having 3 as a common factor. So these are not coprimes. Not coprimes. 16 and 23. 23 is a prime number. 16 is a even number. So they both have only the common factor as 1. So these are coprimes. 60 and 100. 6 tens are 60. 10 tens are 100. So 10 is a common factor for these two. So these are not coprimes. 11, 89. Both are prime numbers. So both are coprimes. So these are called as coprimes. So any two pairs of numbers which are carrying only one as a common factor, not with any other number, those are called as coprimes. This ends this question. Moving on to the next question, 8th one. Which two numbers do not belong in the set of numbers given below? What are the numbers are there below? 45, 63, 81, 93, 49, 67, 99, 87, 27, 19. Which of two numbers do not belong in the set of given numbers? So this is the question. The numbers which we have here 45, 63, 81, 93, 49, 67, 99, 87, 27, 19. 67 and 19 are prime numbers. Remaining all are odd numbers. So 67 and 19 are the not belongs to this group. Next question. Find two prime numbers whose difference is 1. Find two prime numbers whose difference is 1. That means two consecutive natural numbers which are prime numbers. Prime number starts with 2, 3, 5, 7. So the difference of 3 and 2 is 1. So two prime numbers whose difference is 1 is 2, 3. Next question. Find two prime numbers whose difference is 3. Are there other such pairs? Whose difference is 3? Are there such pairs? So we need to see first of all how many prime numbers we can able to write. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23. When we see here 5 minus 2, the difference is 3. 11 minus 7 is 4. So this will not be valid. 17 minus 13 is 4. 19 minus 17 is 2. So 5 minus 2. That means 2 and 5 are the numbers where we have 3 difference between the two prime numbers. There is no other number like this. The answer for the second point here is no. Moving on to the next question. Find the pairs of twin primes less than 30. Find a pair of twin primes greater than 100 and less than 110. So what is twin prime? Find all the pairs of twin primes less than 30. Find a pair of twin primes greater than 100 and less than 110. What is twin prime? We will discuss. What is twin prime means? The pairs of prime numbers, the pairs of prime numbers that have only one composite number between them. The pairs of prime numbers that have only one composite number between them, those are called as twin primes. So now the given question, find all the pairs of twin primes less than 30. So what are all the prime numbers we have less than 30 is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. So these are less than 30. So which are all the pairs is having one composite number in between them? 3, 5, we have 4 in the middle. 5, 7, we have 6 in the middle. 11, 13, we have 12 in the middle. 17, 19, we have 18 in the middle. So, these are twin primes between 1 to 30. In the second question in this question, find the pair of twin primes greater than 100 and less than 110. Greater than 100, 101, 103. This is the pair which is less than 110 twin prime. This ends this question. Moving on to the next question. In the set of numbers less than 93, which is the largest prime number? Less than 93, largest prime number is 89. Next question. Which is the smallest composite odd number? Smallest composite odd number. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the single digit numbers. In this, 1 is neither composite nor prime. We'll leave aside. Now, 2, 4, 6, 8 are even numbers. 3, 5, 7, 9 odd numbers. In this, 2, 3, 5, 7 are prime numbers. Which is the smallest composite odd number they asked. We need to find out what are the composite numbers. We have 4, 6, composite numbers 8, 9, 10. So, composite and odd number. These are composite numbers. 4 in the even number, 6 in the even number, 8 in the even number, will cancel it. 9 is the composite number and the odd number. So, this is the number which they asked for. Smallest composite odd number is 9. This ends this question. 14th question. Are all numbers ending with 3 prime numbers? Are all numbers ending with 3 prime numbers? No. 11 is not ending with 3. 17 is not ending with 3. So, answer is no. A list of all numbers below 100 ending with 3 and indicate which of them are prime and which are composite. A list of all numbers below 100 ending with 3. 3, 13, 23, 33, 43, 53, 63, 73, 83 and 93. In this, what are all prime numbers? What are all composite numbers? In this, 33, 63 and 93 are composite number, remaining all prime numbers, which are 3, 13, 23, 43, 53, 73, 83 are prime numbers. This ends the 14th question. Moving on to the next question. Find a perfect number greater than 10 but less than 40. Find a perfect number greater than 10 but less than 40. What is prime number? Sorry, perfect number. What is a perfect number? If the sum of all the factors of a number is 2 times the number itself, then the number is called a perfect number. If the sum of all the factors, if the sum of all the factors of a number is 2 times the number is 2 times the number itself, then the number is called a perfect number. If the sum of all the factors of a number is 2 times the number itself, then the number is called a perfect number. If you see example, we'll take 6. What are the factors of 6? 1 6 are 6, 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 6 1s are 6. So, the factors of the 6 are 6 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 6. These are the factors of 6. Now, if I am adding 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6, I will get 12. 6 2s are 12. If the sum of all the factors of a number, is 2 times the number itself, 12 is 2 times the number itself, then the number is called a perfect number. In the exercise, they asked a question, find a perfect number greater than 10 but less than 40. What is a number which is a perfect greater than 10 and less than 40 is 28. How it is a perfect number? We'll see. 28 factors are 1 28 is 28, 2 14s are 28, 3 will not go, 4 will not go, 7, 4 is going, 4 7s are 28, 7 4s are 28, 14 2s are 28, 28 1s are 28. Now 28 is equal to 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 14 plus 28 is how much? 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 7 14, 14 plus 14 28, 28 plus 28 56. 28 into 2 is 56. The sum of all the factors of a number is 2 times of that number itself is called as perfect number. So 28 is a perfect number which is less than 40. This ends this question. Moving on to the next question. Write all the factors of below numbers. What are all the numbers they gave? How to find out the factors? First question is 15, 36, 60 and 75. 15. 1 15s are 15. 3 5s are 15. 5 3s are 15. 15 1s are 15. So the factors of 15 is 1, 3, 5, 15. This ends the first question. For 36. 1 36 are 36. 2 18s are 36. 3 12s are 36. 4 9s are 36. 6 6 are 36. 9 4s are 36. 12 3s are 36. 18 2s are 36. 36 1s are 36. The factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. The left side numbers. For 60, what are the factors of 60? Is 160 is 60, 2 30s are 60, 3 20s are 60, 4 15s are 60, 5 12s are 60, 6 10s are 60, 10 6 are 60, 12 5s are 60, 15 4s are 60, 23s are 60, 32s are 60, 61s are 60. In this, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30, 60. So these are all the factors of 60. The next question is 75. What are all the factors we have for 75? 175 is 75. 2 will not come because ending with 5, 2 will not get divisible in that number, which is in division rule. 3 25s are 75. 5 15s are 75. Next, 15 5s are 75. 25 3s are 75. 75 1s are 75. So what are all the numbers we have? 1, 3, 5, 15, 25 and 75 are the factors of 75. This ends this question. Moving on to the next question. Write the first 5 multiples of below numbers. Multiples are nothing but tables. First 5 multiples of 6. 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18. 6 4s are 24. 6 5s are 30. 6 6 are 36. Second one is 10. 10 1s are 10. 10 2s are 20. 10 3s are 30. 10 4s are 40. 10 5s are 50. 10 6 are 60. Next one is 15. 15 1s are 15. 15 2s are 30. 15 3s are 45. 15 4s are 60. 15 5s are 75. 15 6 are 90. Next one 17. 17 2s are 34. 17 3s are 51. 17 4s are 64. 68. 17 1s are 17. 17 2s are 34. 17 3s are 51. 17 4s are 68. 17 5s are 85. 17 6 are 102. 102. This is 17 table. Next, 23. 23, 46, 69, 69 plus 92, 23, 46, 69, 92 and 5 times 5 3 is a 15, 5 2s are 10 plus 1, 11, 6 3s are 18, 6 2s are 10 plus 1, 13. So this is 23 table. Moving on to the next question. Write all prime numbers between 0 to 30. First question 0 to 30. Second question 30 to 40. Third question 40 to 80. And fourth question is 80 to 100. 80 to 100. First one is 0 to 30. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. These are between 0 to 30. So, second is 30 to 40 is 31 and 37. Next, 40 to 80 is 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73 and 79. These are between 40 to 80. Next, 83, 89, 97 are between 80 to 100. These are the prime numbers between 0 to 100. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89 and 97. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following are prime numbers? 1, 3, 17, 27, 31. In this, what are all prime numbers? We know 3 is a prime number, 17 is a prime number and 31 is a prime number. That's it. 1 and 27. 1 is neither prime nor composite and 27 is a composite number because 9 3s are 27. We have more than one factor. So, next question. Write 7 consecutive composite numbers less than 100 such that there is no prime number between them. Below 100, we have the prime numbers are 89, 97, between 90 to 100. So, here 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 consecutive composite numbers which are less than 100. This is the answer. 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95 and 96. There is no prime number in between them. Moving on to the next and the last question of this exercise. More about numbers. Exercise 3.1. For a prime number greater than 10, Which are the possible digits in the ones place? For a prime number greater than 10, which are the possible digits in the ones place? Greater than 10, less than 100, the prime numbers are 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31. If you observe, always the ones digits place 1, 3, 7, 9. These are the possible one digit place. This ends the exercise 3.1 more about numbers 6th class CBSE. If you like my video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.